Upwa Breast Cancer Awareness Seminar organized by Upwa Birmingham under the leadership of Chairperson Rifat Mughal and hosted by Rana Shamma Nazir. The event was held at the Adora Well-Being Center. The aim of the seminar was to raise awareness about breast cancer, which is a taboo topic in the Asian community. It is important that we educate women about breast cancer since it is on the rise and many women are not aware of the symptoms and diagnosis is always too late. Over 11,000 women die every year through breast cancer. A very informative event was guest speakers Veronica Kumetra, co-founder, the chief operating officer of Ladies Fighting Breast Cancer, alongside Dr. Nigat Iftikhar, breast cancer survivor, also spoke of their experiences and their journeys battling breast cancer. A nurse specializing in breast cancer gave a talk on looking for symptoms. Also present were Adila Pervez, General Secretary, Samina Raja, Senior Advisor, Beena Ahmed, Joint Secretary, Ghazala Ahmed, Sham Abbasi, Atiya S. Khalid, Sajida Awan, Nasreen Awan, Aisha Bibi, Mrs. Chaudhry, Hafiza Rasool, Razia Bhatt, Shazia Bashir, Sadia Iqbal, Fajli Bibi, Sadia Naveed, Zafain, Fahmida Ahmed, Munazza Khan, Shagufta Naz and others. SM Tahir, UG News, Birmingham.